So whatever you see in my screen, okay, from here to here, the last candle, right? Whatever you're seeing in my screen, okay, you just tell me what it is.
You mean what you draw, right?
Right. Let me draw a
Engulfing by.
box. Okay, let me draw it as a box
Okay.
system. What we are going to call it? Only this. You see it, like you see the box I draw, like what we are
Yes.
going to call it.
Engulfing by.
No, we are not going to call it engulfing by. Why? You tell me.
Mm.
Look, we have a green color, red color. Okay.
Okay.
So let me give you still the basic. Okay, brother. Let us go with few
Yeah.
basic. Then it will be helpful.
All
Listen,
right.
one thing. Whatever we have in our chart, I personally use two color. One is green, so I use green for buy and red for sell.
Right. Okay.
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 Now,
Okay, sir.
whenever you see whatever you see in the chart, it is combination. Okay. So when I
Yes.
said the combination means you and opposite gender. Like you and your wife is a combination. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
You and I are not combination because we
Okay.
are kind of similar. Our gender is
Similar
similar.
surface.
Okay.
Yes.
So the difference between combination and non-combination is when you and I, that is, we are same to same. We are not combination, but you and your wife, me and my wife is combination. Got it, brother?
All right. Yes,
as
sir.
as we use green and red color or red or green color as our chart pattern, we call green and red as a combination. Okay, brother?
All right, sir.
Right, green or red as combination.
Okay.
Also we call red and green combination. Okay, so we
All
will
right.
talk about it a little
Okay.
bit later why we need combination. Secondly, whenever now you see this is no combination. See the same color candle,
Okay. Okay.
So this is not combination. Combination is only where? Combination is only, we can call it, this is a combination. We can call it, this is a combination. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now, now the second part, why we need combination. Okay, brother? Why we need combination?
Mm.
Because we need combination only for, let's say we have a green candle. Okay. We have a green candle.
Okay.
So if we have a green candle, what will be the combination of the green candle?
The red.
Red
Candle.
candle. Red candle.
Yes.
Good. Very good way. So this is the combination of the red and green. Okay,
Okay.
or green and red.
Yes.
Now let's talk about something else. How we have two different color of combination. Let's draw a green candle. Okay. So this is a green candle. This is a green candle. And definitely we are going to have wick, right? We are going to have a wick.
Yes.
So when we have a wick, how this candle formation happened, if we talked about it, so basically this is the bottom area where we have a open, and this is the upper area where we have the close. So this is the closing, this is the opening. At the same time, as this is not the full picture of this full candle, basically we have a high and low also. Is it, brother?
Hello. Yes.
So we
Yes.
have a
Yes.
high, we have a low. Okay?
Mm.
Low. So how this candle form? Basically, this is the starting of this particular area. It came down to first time all the way go to the upper side and need to come down and close,
Okay.
right? We call it
Yes.
OLHC. Why OLHC? Because the formation it does. It started here, came down, go up, and then close. Okay, brother?
Come. Okay. Yes.
Same for the red color.
Red
Okay.
candle. Yes.
So definitely, as I
Yes.
said, every candle will have some wick, right? Because price is
Yes, sir.
very fractal. Now, if you look how this candle formation happened, basically the opening is here, the closing is here, okay, and
Yes.
high is there and low
Yes.
is the same. So how this candle is formation happened? The same. It is started with the here, go high, came down the low, goes upper side and close.
Close.
Okay, we call it
Yes.
OHLC, not
And
OHCL. Okay,
yeah.
not OHCL
Yes.
but OHLC. The way price goes,
OHLC.
the way price goes, we just call it by that way. Okay, so for clear, brother.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now
Clear.
we're going to remove it. Now let's talk about something else. Remember, we just learned a little bit earlier. We have a open, close. Definitely, we are going to have a high and low.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, as I said, if it is a combination, and if we look for a combination, whenever you see a red candle, as for us, look at this chart. For us, we are not going to call it anything like this is a maybe reverse hammer, right? This is a reverse hammer. This is kind of pin bar, and this is a pin bar. Somewhere between this is a doji. We are not going to call it any different name. For us, everything will be engulfing. Okay, how we are
Yes.
going to call everything as engulfing? Whenever we like anytime, whenever we remind of engulfing, what is we visualize something like this? Is it something like this?
Yes.
Is it okay, brother?
Yes,
So
sir.
first candle
Yes, sir.
will be fully covered by the second candle. When this thing happened, we
Second
call
candle.
it a engulfing. As it is a
Yes.
buy candle is the last one, we call it a buy engulfing. Similar for we have this buy candle, we have this sell candle, and we have a sell engulfing. Clear?
Yes.
So
Clear, sir.
remember this thing. This engulfing created with how many candle it takes to create the engulfing here? Only
Two.
two. How many
Two
candle
candle.
it
Yes.
take to create this cell engulfing here? Only two.
Two.
Whenever we
Yes.
see two candle engulfing, we call that kind of engulfing as a regular engulfing. Clear? It is a
Yes. Yes,
regular
sir.
engulfing for
Yes, sir.
us. Now we have something else. We have something else. Now something will come handy, okay? Remember, we learned a little bit earlier OHLC or OCHL, something whatever, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes,
So,
sir.
where is the high? This is the high. Where is the low? This is the low. Is it, brother?
Yes, sir.
Whenever we have the red color, how an engulf form? Engulf candle form, this red color has to be covered by a green color. Is it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Then we are going to call it an engulfing. Now, the rules we have, as it is a red color candle, what will be the combination for it?
Green color.
Green color. So if we have a green color here, can we call it an engulfing?
Not yet.
Can we call this is an engulfing?
Not yet.
When we are going to call this thing as an engulfing, as the first candle is red, so we are going to look for the combination. The combination is the green color, right? Until the red color high, which is this particular area, is not break with the body of green candle. Okay, so this particular green candle did not break out with the body of this high. Now we will look if there any other green candle. Can we call it now a engulfing? No, right?
Not.
Until this high
Yes.
is not breaking with the body So as this candle break out the high with the body, can we call it an engulfing now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What if, brother, in the real chart it could happen? What if this candle gave us a green color and suddenly it become a red candle again?
I'm about to ask that now.
Want to ask me now?
I'm about to ask about that just now.
We are going to shift our area from here to there until we do not have an engulfing. Okay?
Yeah,
As the color changes. Got it, brother?
I got it now. I got it.
Okay. So let's go to the sale scenario. The sale scenario will be the totally vice versa. Okay. So
Yes.
for the sale scenario, what do you think? What candle we are going to have first?
Buy a green candle.
Green candle. Great. So we have a green candle here. We have a green candle here. We are going to have a high and low. So becoming a engulfing, what it need to do first?
Red candle needs to cover the low
With the body, right?
of the body. Yes.
Doesn't matter how many candles. Yeah, brother?
Yes.
It is no matter. It never matter like how many candles it will take to create or take to break out that particular low. Until this low is not broken with the body of this particular low, now we can call it a engulfing. Now, remember we have said
Yes.
we have when we have two candle engulfing, we call it what?
Regular engulfing.
So if we have a more than two candle engulfing, doesn't matter how many candle it is taking, what we are going to call it?
Irregular.
Irregular engulfing. What is my friend?
Yes, I got it.
Okay. So is it okay if I remove everything here?
Yes, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good.
You're good now. Let's look something, okay?
Okay, sir.
Whatever we have in our screen, whatever, what we are going to call it?
Irregular.
No, it is not the irregular. Look, what we just saw also, we have a red candle right here, right here.
Yes.
So we have the high,
Yes.
we have the low. What I said this candle high has to break out with a green candle. Yes, we see a candle
Okay.
which break out that high, right? But the problem is,
Yes.
this is green, suddenly the red candle appears. So we are shifting our high from here to here. Got it?
Okay, that's it now.
So this is not the engulfing, but this is the engulfing. Clear now?
Okay, clear.
See the problem what you have seen last time? Okay. Now again, let's go here. What we are going to call it?
Not engulfing.
But this one, right? But this one.
Yes, that's engulfing.
The problem clear?
Cleared now. Cleared.
So look now what we are going to see. Everything in the chart, whatever we see in the chart, every single thing is a combination of green and red color. Okay? Let me show you something.
Yes.
Let me show you something. What we have here? An engulfing buyer.
Yes.
What we have here? An engulfing buy. We do not have anything here. We have an engulfing buy.
Yes.
We have an engulfing sell. Say it.
Sell, yeah.
We have an engulfing cell. We have an engulfing cell. Engulfing buy.
Yes.
Engulfing buy.
Buy.
Engulfing cell. We have
Sell.
an engulfing buy.
Buy. Yes.
So all the thing is we still have it. Look at this. We do not have anything, but we have nothing, but we have an engulfing cell. Got it, brother?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
everything is either engulfing buy or engulfing cell, engulfing buy or engulfing cell. But if you look, this is the buy and sell is happening when we are having the combination. You see why the combination is important?
Yes, now. See now.
So when you have the combination, then we are having the engulfing buy and sell. But this is not the combination. This is not the combination. This is not the combination. Is it? Remember, the combination is who? You and your wife. Me and you are not the combination because we have the same gender. Okay? So
Yes.
this is the same color. That means this is not the combination. This is something else. We call it same color. Okay? Now, if you break this, choose 1, 2, 3, any of these three candles, like here or here, any specific gap area. We call it a same color candle, either open and close or the gap candle, right, brother?
Yeah.
what we call it, open and close or gap candle. Same for open and close, all of these are open and close or the gap candle. Okay,
Okay.
so we just mark what? We mark the gap area, this gap area, this gap area. Got it, brother?
Correct.
Now you break it down to any time frame. Like if you don't see it anything, look at this. What we have here in that perfect gap area. Now what we have? You see it, brother?
Engulfing.
You see it? And this gap area is showing us nothing, right? Nothing. Let's break it down to one more time frame below. We have still nothing. One more time frame below. Do we have something here?
Yes.
So everywhere, whenever you have it, everywhere, somewhere between here and there, that is basically engulfing. Okay, brother?
Engulfing.
There is
Yes, sir.
all color combination, Like choose this area, remove everything we have. Okay? Only go for this particular area. Go to the 10-minute. Do we have anything yet? No, the gap level is still the same level, right? Let's go to the 5-minute.
Yes.
Do we have anything? Nothing. Go to 3 minutes.
Nothing.
Look what we have here.
Mm-hmm.
See it, brother?
I do.
So whatever we see in the chart, basically all of the chart is what? Engulfing. Okay.
Yes.
Now the second part. So okay, fine. We understand what is engulfing. We understand what is regular, what is a non-regular.
Yes.
Also, we understand like combination, non-combination, right?
Yes. Yes.
The question is, what we will do with that kind of thing learning? Like we know, we understood everything. Clear. We know this is an engulfing buy, sell, right? We know, I think daily will be easiest. So we know this is an engulfing sell, right? We know this is an engulfing sell. Yeah. We know this is an engulfing sell. We know this is an engulfing buy. Okay. We know this is engulfing buy, this is engulfing sell, this is engulfing sell. Okay, we understand it. But the problem is what we are going to do with this thing. Okay. Got my question? Our part is whenever we have an area, let's say this is a sell engulfing area. Okay. Sell is the area. And we have a buy is the area here, somewhere between here. Okay. We expect, let's say market is in between somewhere here, right? We expect if market goes back to that engulfing sell area, we will see some reaction. It will drop here, and then there is an engulfing buy. It will go to somewhere between, maybe another engulfing buy created here. You see, market is always a wave. So market is moving engulfing to engulfing. Okay? Now let's go to 1 hour. Let me show you something. Look. Whatever you see in your chart, is this an engulfing? Is this an engulfing?
Yes.
This area, right? Where is market now?
Yeah.
This particular area. Where is market now? This particular area. Okay? This particular area. Now, if you look, brother, when you have this, can we call it an engulfing? Just a minute. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay? Can we call this also an engulfing buy? Is this an engulfing buy? Like what we have drawn here? Yeah. Okay. Is this an engulfing buy?
Yes.
So market is where? Engulfing buy area. We have an engulfing sell area here. You see that engulfing sell area? So what we just said a little bit earlier, we expect market will move to engulfing buy to buy. If it reach any buy sell area, it will drop. If it created in the meantime any buy area, it will come back and react again. Is it, brother?
Yes.
Let's see.
Yes.
You see, just market created something, and then what is going on? Now look what happened. This is the engulfing buy area, sell area, right? Market reach out to that engulfing buy area, sell area, and then it start to reacting. At first, it reacted on this engulfing buy, and when it break down, it came down to this engulfing buy, and it started to reacting again to where it is reacting, this engulfing sell area. See? So this is how market behave when it reach one engulfing to one engulfing. Clear, brother?
Clear, sir.
So
Yeah.
now we understand why we need engulfing. Clear?
Okay. Clear, sir.
Now the fun part is started. Okay.
Mm.
The fun part is if you look,
Starting.
if you look, engulfing sell, engulfing sell, engulfing sell, engulfing sell, engulfing buy, a lot of engulfing buy sell, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Are we going to pick everything? The answer is no. Okay? The
Okay, sir.
answer is no. Why the answer is no? From now to till the session, you will know in details why we are not going to choose a very specific area, but the very tiny area like this area, like that area. Okay? Somewhere between here and here.
Okay, sir.
So this is what we are going to learn from now. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Ready to enjoy the fun, brother.
Fully ready. Fully ready, sir.
Trust me, what I'm going to show you, you have never seen in your life, and you will tell it.
Mm.
You will tell it after the session. Okay?
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Mm.
Tell me, brother, what we have here.